And now checked fixed clock on board. Frequency range here 10 Hz to 1 megahertz in 6 step, variable in between step. Amplitude TTL side 5 volt and CMOS side 3 volt to 50 volt variable. And now see the waveform required optional accessories as a CRO. And here band switch, select any frequency. This is digital signal and this potentiometer is frequency the vary clockwise. And see the output 10 kilohertz and this minimum port of frequency is 1 kilohertz. And then high frequency, this is check on here. And use jig socket here and any IC digital use for gates any. And here is insert the IC and here is connected. And now select the IC pin, one side lefted of IC pin read and one opposite to 20 pin. And now experiment according to the manual. Here is IC insert 7432 pin conferencing. Here is different type IC, all pins conferencing. Here is manual and use any circuit digital perform the kits. And here is breadboard, useful circuit diagram, analog and digital. This manual digital lab trainer and follow the experiments on kits. And here circuit diagram of kits, choose the circuit and useful trainer kit. And this is figure, experiment and examples with truth table. This all experiment available in manual. Perform the experiment. As a JK flip-flop, D counter and forward counter as a experiment, all perform according to the manual. 4-bit shift register and how to breadboard use ICs and patch cords connect the breadboard. And now breadboard on IC connected. Here is IC connected for any circuit. Use this, and here is useful breadboard for leads, one side 2 mm, one side 1 mm, and this any supply. Choose here 5 volt and connect the here, and you, any circuit use breadboard here connected according to the manual. Perform all experiments. Thank you.